Training 4.0 is not just a course. Training 4.0 is designed for a particular problem to solve in the company. So one of the solutions of Training 4.0 was training productive managers to empower and boost all the leadership ability into the team and make them more productive, to help the team to able to create great result. And through this video, I'm going to share with you one of the feedbacks of one of the productive manager who we deployed in Hanoi, and we will see how it really helped the companies and the leadership teams to become more successful. So let's get started. So this the value of Pro Academies is to work on is to make companies more productive, effective, and more profitable. And this is one of the snapshot of all the senior managers we're in. From the photo, you can understand that how well experienced in management they are, and how our productive manager really empower them to take their progress to even next level. So let's have a look about in terms of the experience level. So we can see in experience level, only 4% of them are like in very early management skill. They have like 4 to 6 years, but in majority of them we have 70 living of experiences, like 46% of the participant, and then we have 27% of the participant have 12 to 16 years of management experience, and we have 23% of them have 16 plus management experience. It's a very senior managers are participants of this productive manager, so we've been deploying into it. So one of the first questions we asked them is about how were your learning experience for productive managers? So we found out 78% said it was great and excellent in their learning experience, and 22% said it was good. So then we decided to dive a little bit deeper. We asked them that why did you choose the particular score for this solution? So this is the feedback we get. I can collect a lot of knowledge. I learned something to manage teams. The training content is very useful. I feel it's meaningful and quite logical. It's very interesting and helpful to know what and who am I. So this is something really important is about, we really focus about self-actuation, which I will get back to in the next couple of slides. So stay with me. These sessions is well organized, impressive, useful for me, more knowledge. It makes me understand more about yourself. Exactly. So that's one of the things great to hear, that we really focus about helping the managers to understand them more so they can get better by improving those key matters by using different framework and tool we really provide to them. So then we also, the more feedbacks we got, like an example like this, they explain their score. I learned more things that help me in management. Good learning and create learning motivations. It points out some company problems, analyze and give advices. I can learn more new things during the sessions. I can refresh myself and reconsider how to manage the team. Advisory. It's good for everyone, but it's a bit long. Yes, it was like 7-8 hour sessions because we covered very important aspects and we had a short window. So yeah, we had to go a little bit longer. So the reason we talked about is about our training 4.0 really focusing about is a level 4. We really focus on helping managers to develop their self-actuation level. So we wanted to boost their problem solving by making them understand more about themselves, because when they know more about themselves, their problem solving, acceptance of fact, creativity all increase. So that's one of the great feedback we received. Many of them say this one is a good training, help them to think more, and that's exactly what we wanted to do. So then the next question we asked them is, how much did you think and reflect during the workshop? So this is another thing, because we wanted to make them think a lot in a workshop. As a manager, it's so much important for them to think. So we saw that one, 69% of them say this one, they think almost all the time and very much, and even 31% say this one, they think quite a lot of as well too during the workshops. So, and the next question you asked them about how much the new knowledge and information did you learn during the workshops? So we found out that 70% of say this one, a large amount of informations or a lot of informations they have got. And 31% say this one, they have learned much of new informations. Then we go to the next question into that. how much new knowledge, information can you implement in your work? It's like a second extension. The information you got, how much you can put in your work in your company. We found out that 50% of saying that all of them, or almost all of them, and 50% said a good amount of them they can actually implement their work. So now we move to the next question, is about how much do you rate your trainer? So 55% of say that the trainer was excellent, 45% say this one, it was great. I just wanted to highlight on that one too. So we have been training in a very senior managers in this workshop. You can see this one, almost 95% of them has 7-year plus experience, and you can see this one, almost 50% of them has more than 12 years of experience, such kind of senior managers. So we're delighted that our trainer got that kind of ratings, and we really inspiring us to keep doing training and empowering our senior managers and different from our clients and companies. So the last question you also asked them, that how much this workshop will help you to improve your work performance. And 70% almost said that one is going to help me a lot or very much, and 31% said that good amount of help to improve their performance too, with such kind of senior participant, where 50% of the participant has more than 12 years of management experience. So that's the thing I want to share with you, that this is how our Training 4.0 is not a course. We understand a particular problem in the company and we solve that problem through our different kind of training solutions and through our trainer and consultant and coaches. So you can find out more our feedbacks from by scanning the QR code, or just checking out this playlist in our YouTube channels or in social media platforms. And if you have any problems in your organizations, in leaderships and soft skill or hard skill, feel free to reach out to us and we'll work with you, understanding your problem, and we'll solve your problem through our Training 4.0, and we're looking forward to hear from you. So to reach out, it's very easy. Drop in comments in the video, or drop an email to us by visiting, or just visit our websites here, Pro Academy, and you can contact us from our website, and we'll love to have a conversations. Just to share with you that our language we cover our trainers speak English, Vietnamese, Japanese, French, and Korean. So any language you speak, we can provide you by solving your problem, to make sure that our coaches fix your languages and solve your problem. See you in the next video. And here we go. Your business is gonna succeed based on how much problem you're solving, and we are here to help you to solve more problem. All the best.